Can you update Blox Fruits script? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about whether it is possible to update the Blox Fruits script or not. So if you're interested in modifying or using the scripts for Blox Fruits, however, I must inform you that any of these activities that involve cheating or the use of unauthorized scripts should be avoided. Engaging in such practices goes against the Roblox terms of service, which are in place to ensure a fair and positive gaming experience for everyone. So violating these terms can unfortunately lead to penalties such as possibility of getting banned from the platform. So therefore, I strongly advise against pursuing these methods. Instead, you can focus on maintaining a level playing field and upholding the integrity of the game. If you're looking for the ways to improve your gameplay, I can provide you with legitimate tips, strategies, and guidance that are fully compliant and the game's rules and regulations. I can also share the insights on effective techniques, character builds, and other in-game tactics that can help you succeed without restoring to any unfair or prohibited methods. So always pick the best fruit for grinding, plan an effective farming route, and find level appropriate quests and bosses, and learn PvP combos and fighting styles. Also build a training routine to level fast. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.